The Jordan Phosphate Mines Company is a limited liability corporation founded in 1953 to extract and utilize the vast phosphate deposits in the kingdom, which have been estimated at 1.3 billion tons. Jordan is thought to control some of the most significant phosphate deposits globally, which studies estimate cover 60% of the country. The company's beginnings were humble, with extraction carried out manually in underground mines. Once the company was established, prospecting and extraction started utilizing advanced machinery, and the latest tools and technologies were incorporated, which allowed for a 200% increase in output and marked an improvement in quality, making Jordan to date the 6th largest producer of phosphates and the 2nd largest exporter. The company systematically employed and trained the qualified work cadres needed to oversee its operations: engineers, technicians, surveyors, and skilled workers with different academic and managerial qualifications. The company continues to employ cutting-edge technologies, machinery, and tools to ensure ever-improving efficiency, meeting production quotas, and maintaining product quality. The company also places a special emphasis on promoting health and safety in the workplace and closely follows the kingdom's environmental codes so as to ensure the sustainable development of our resources in order to preserve them for future generations. The company also founded training centers to develop our workforce so as to ensure that our production goals are fulfilled to the highest professional standards, in order to raise the bar on our aspirations and achieve our vision of fully utilizing our country's natural mineral wealth for the benefit of our people. Raw phosphate is currently being produced at 3 locations: the Wadi Al Abyad mine, Al Hassa, and Shidiyeh, at a production rate of over 8 million tons a year, 5 million of which are exported as raw phosphate. Of the rest, some is sold as phosphoric acid and phosphate-based fertilizers within the kingdom, while the bulk is exported abroad. This helps improve added value and bring in more money to the national economy. In cooperation and coordination with the Ministry of Transport, we are preparing to implement a project whereby the Shidiyeh mine is linked to a rail network, which will include equipment for the loading of tenders at the mine. This will improve our rail transport capacity and allow us to reach our goal of doubling our production. To ensure that we meet the needs of our international clients, the company established a modern harbor to handle our exports, which can accommodate ships with a cargo capacity of up to 100,000 tons. This allows for faster delivery times on the largest of orders. This harbor was designed to the highest standards and equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, guaranteeing zero contamination due to dust seeping into the air or water during the loading, storage, or exchange processes, thus protecting the surrounding terrestrial and marine environments. This harbor represents a quantum leap in the company's operations and makes full use of the kingdom's strategic location and proximity to target markets, in conjunction with a second port currently being expanded by the Jordan Industrial Ports Company, which was founded to expand the existing industrial harbor. This expansion will enable local companies to export their products and those of their affiliates and import necessary production materials. The new harbor will also be fitted with state-of-the-art, environment-friendly equipment. To improve added value, the company established plans to convert raw phosphate into fertilizer as part of a long-term strategy to invest $1.4 billion in new projects in order to improve output and contribute to the increase of supplementary industries. The size of the investment is expected to reach $4 billion in the next 5 years. The company currently operates a fertilizer plant in Aqaba, which is capable of producing 1 million tons of diammonium phosphate per year, as well as another plant, co-owned with other partners, which produces compound fertilizer at a rate of 300,000 tons per year. This is in addition to a plant for the production of phosphoric acid in the Shidia site, which has an output of 200,000 tons per year. The company is in the process of constructing another plant in cooperation with a partner from India, which should commence operation later this year, producing phosphoric acid at an output of 500,000 tons per annum. The company is determined to continue on the path of forging partnerships with world-class corporations, with an eye to achieving a phosphate output of 15 million tons in the coming few years. To ensure the quality of its products and meet consumer demands and adhering to the highest international specifications, the company established a suite of state-of-the-art labs equipped with the very best technologies. The quality control process oversees every phase of production, from prospecting to extraction to manufacturing and the final products themselves. We continue to grow and prosper day after day, striving to improve the company and uplift its workers and support the nation's economy, in line with His Majesty's vision.